हेलो एवरीवन। अब तक के लेक्चर्स में हमने देखा है इवोल्यूशन, एविडेंसेस ऑफ इवोल्यूशन, देन वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट डार्विन्स थियरी, लामार्किज्म। ओके, देन हमने ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन पढ़ा है। अब इस चैप्टर का एक पार्ट बचा है, दैट इज अबाउट हेरिडिटी एंड हाउ डज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स टेक प्लेस इन अ बॉडी। ओके, प्रोटीन का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है, दैट विल बी स्टार्टिंग टुडे। So the first part is heredity. So the process of transfer of physical or mental characters from parents to progeny or parents to offsprings, that is called as heredity. अब जो भी parents से characteristics हमारे body में transfer होते हैं उसको हम क्या कह सकते हैं, heredity. And these characteristics or these characters they transfer by genes. Okay, so some of the characteristics are transferred as it is, while on the other hand some of the changes are created in those characteristics, so that changes are called as mutation. as it is ये genes transfer नहीं होते हमारे body में, कुछ changes भी create होते हैं, that changes are called as mutation. Okay, which are created in the body of offspring. जो भी next generation रहता है वो similar रहता है parents के जैसे, because the characteristics are transferred while some other qualities are also present because of the mutation. Now next is the formation of complex protein. So तीन अलग अलग steps involved है for the formation of protein, that is transcription, translation and translocation. जब ये तीनों steps complete हो जाते हैं, at that time only the protein molecule gets formed in a body. Now we will be learning about all these three steps in detail. First step, that is transcription. So proteins are synthesized by DNA through RNA. That is, प्रोटीन फॉर्म होने के लिए बहुत सारे सिंपल मटेरियल्स दे कम टुगेदर टू फॉर्म अ कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड, एंड ये प्रोसेस होता है डीएनए से, बट डीएनए को हेल्प करता है आरएनए. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज सेंट्रल डोग्मा. Now mRNA, that is the messenger RNA, is produced as per the sequence of nucleotide on DNA. Now nucleotides you have studied last year कि चार अलग टाइप के न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स होते हैं and they appear in pairs. So one of the two strands are used in this process, that is one pair is used in this process. And जो भी न्यूक्लियोटाइड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है that is always complementary to DNA, मतलब वो DNA को हेल्प करता है for synthesis, that is to make the complex protein molecule. So the process of mRNA synthesis is called as transcription. Now this mRNA it is made up of thousands of triplet codon, that is ये mRNA के पास codes present रहते हैं and वो codes 3-3 के sequence में है, therefore it is called as triplet codon. अब जैसे mRNA के पास मैसेज आएगा, so amino acids will be supplied by the tRNA. Now tRNA is the transfer RNA. अब ट्रांसफर RNA अमाइनो एसिड सप्लाई करे, therefore it has to have anticodons जो कि वो mRNA के कोडॉन्स को ब्रेक कर सके. Okay, so tRNA has the anticodons complementary to the sequence of mRNA. Now this whole process is called as translation. That is, whenever message comes from mRNA, at that time tRNA supplies the amino acids and tRNA has the anticodons so that it can decode the triplet codon of mRNA. This process is called as translation. यहाँ डायग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट किया है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एंड ट्रांसलेशन. Now third step, that is translocation. So when the amino acids are brought in the tRNA are bonded together by peptide bond with the help of rRNA. Okay, now peptide bond is a chemical bond which is formed between two molecules. Okay, that is the carboxylic group and one molecule reacts with the amino group. So ये peptide bond form होता है and during this process the ribosome keeps on moving from one end of the mRNA to another end. So ribosome continuously move होता है from one end to another end towards the distance or by the end of the distance of triplet codon. Now this whole process is called as translocation. After all the three steps, that is transcription, translation and translocation, so many such chains come together. जो भी हमने लास्ट में देखा था, that is peptide bond are formed and many such chains come together to form the complex protein. Now these proteins, obviously proteins helps in various functions of living organism. Okay. So for today's homework you have to write all the definitions which are mentioned in the presentation. एंड हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज़ हेरिडिटी एंड वेरिएशन अब ख़त्म हो गया है. सो अगर कुछ भी डाउट्स है इस चैप्टर में, सो यू कैन काइंडली व्हाट्सएप मी योर डाउट्स और यू कैन सेंड मी एन ईमेल. थैंक यू.